Okay, so hello guys, here's this problem on HackerRank called library find. So the problem is pretty easy. The problem statement reads as your local library needs your help. Given the expected and actual return dates for the library book, create a program that calculates the fine if any. The fee structure is as follows and so on. Okay, we know the problem. That is, if it is particular number of days late, then we just have to print 15 into the difference between the days of return and due date. And if it is late by some months, not days, so we don't consider the days over here. We just consider the months. Difference of months into 500, and if it is expected by any year, then the fine is fixed. No matter how many days or how many months it is late, it is fixed. It will be 10,000, right? Okay, the input format is, firstly they are just taking input format as d1 d2 and sorry d1 m1 and y1 as the respected day month on which the return, okay, return, and d2 m2 and y2 corresponds to the due date, right? So let us take the input from in PyCharm. So I'll just copy this whole code so that I don't have to write it again and again. Okay, I'll just paste it. Okay, I got d1 m1 y1 and d2 m2 y2. So I'll have an approach. I'll start from years, then months, and then day, because if it is late by any month, then it is really easy. So if the y1, yeah, if y1 is less than y2, then they have particularly mentioned the fine to be 10,000. So simply fine equals to 10,000. And now else if, that is elif, that is now y1 became less than y2. So after that I'll write y1 equals to y2, and now I'll take the case for months. So and m1 is less than m2. Now the fine will be simply m1 is greater than m2, right? Because sorry, m1 here should be greater than m2 and here as well. Then only we'll have to take the fine, right? Otherwise there will be no fine, obviously. Okay, the fine will be m1 minus m2 and into 500 if I'm not wrong. Then after that again elif. Now I have to consider years, so I'll equate the years, and after that I'll again consider the months. So considering the months, now I have to take the difference of days. So and d1 is greater than d2. So now the fine will be simply d1 minus d2. So d1 minus d2 into 15. So into 15. And now else remains the case when the book is returned early or on the day, because I didn't use equal over here or equal over here or equal over here. So it means the book is returned before the due date or on the due date. So what will be, it will just be else simply. So else there will be no fine, obviously. So simply fine equals to 0. And now finally I just have to print fine. So simply print fine. Okay, now I'll just check the sample input from HackerRank, and the output should be 45. Okay, 45, it works. I'll just copy the whole code and paste it on HackerRank. Okay, it works. There's no error. Thank you.